we'll start preparing some carrot cupcakes. So I'm going to grate the carrot. I do prefer to grate it by hand instead of putting it into a machine, like a robot mixer. Okay. So we'll get the jug and transfer the grated carrots. You can obviously grate straight onto the jug. Just wiping clean. Then I will crack the egg. Add some vanilla essence, just a few drops. It will depend on the strength of the essence. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'm using Maldon salt. That's my favorite. Okay, I'm going to put the caster sugar as well. And I've got the oil. And we'll get the buttermilk. And I've got some spices which I'm going to use, and that's a matter of preference. You can put more or less. I'm going to put ginger. You can also get fresh ginger and grate some. I'm only going to use powder. Some cinnamon. Actually, I might put a little bit more. I love cinnamon. So. But not more than 2 tips of cinnamon. And some nutmeg, a little bit. Not very much, as I've got a small amount in here. And I'm going to mix. Okay. All I'm looking for is to get an even mixture. Okay, then add the flour and the pecan nuts. Want them a little bit smaller. And some baking powder. Again, a tip of a palette knife. Okay, so we'll just pour the mixture onto the cupcakes. Halfway up. Just try not to rush. And if you get any drips on the side, try to wipe them so that you don't get burns. During baking. actually rushed, and some of my cases ended up having more mix, so I'm just going to get some away. Okay, that's fine, and I'm just cleaning the edges where I've got some spillages. Those will go in the oven for 20 minutes at 170 degrees. Our cupcakes are now out of the oven after 14 minutes. We'll just take them on one side. They are very light. Again, just try to put them slightly aside so the steam doesn't make the case to peel off. I intend to take them out from the baking tray while they are still hot, as if not they intend to get quite moist, as the steam creates a lot of moisture at the bottom of the cupcakes. So if you prefer to leave them for a little bit longer inside, that's no problem. So we'll leave them to cool, and then we'll put the cheese frosting on the top and decorate.